Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to import events to Google Calendar. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Google Calendar web application, which of course I've done right here. I'd like you to note that you can only import events to Google Calendar using the web app. So how do you create an account on Google Calendar? It's pretty much simple. All you need to do is to launch in a browser of your choice. And once you do that, go ahead and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type calendar.google.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for Google Calendar. Now, I'd like you to know that creating an account on Google Calendar is not much of a hit. So as far as you have your Google account already set up in your PC. So all you need to do is to just launch the browser and sign in, and Google's going to create an automatic account for you. So now that you know how to create an account or to sign into Google Calendar, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to import events to Google Calendar. From this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have the settings wheel. So go ahead and click on that, and that takes you here. We have an extended option which includes settings, trash, density, and color. You have print and you have get add-ons. Go ahead and click on settings. So once you click on settings, it's going to open up the settings window. Head over to the left navigation panel where you have a couple of options in here. Now scroll down till you get to import and export, and click on import and export, and that takes you over here. So you can choose what you want to import. Right, this is add to calendar. This is select file from your computer. You can click on that, and once you click on select file, go ahead and select the calendar that you want to import. I don't have any calendar to import, but let's say just go ahead and click any document, and once you're done, just go ahead and click on open. And after clicking on open, that's it. You can now choose where you want to add your calendar to. That's the newly imported calendar, so you can add it to the 3 Amanda Mac. And that's awesome. And after selecting the file or adding the file, importing the file using this first option, which is select file from your computer, go ahead and click on this import button. And after clicking on the import button, that's just going to be it. Your calendar will be successfully imported, or your event will be imported. Okay, so have any events, click on select file from your computer and select the event. Let's say I have this. Okay, and then you're clicking on open, and that's it. So add your event, select the event that you want to add a calendar to, and click on import. So that's all. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.